Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Should she retake her vision test? Let me slip in here without attempting to match my speed with the cars around me. This guy must have wanted a new car. Poor visibility, or was he not looking?
I am not a bomb needing money here.
Doing? Stupid.
This person in the Tesla is more important than everyone else. This guy has his own personal lane. The guy in front of me apparently didn't like someone pulling out in front of him and wanted to prove a point. There are a lot of things I can fix, but stupid isn't one of them. I ruined my brakes because of this idiot. When an idiot almost misses a turn. swerved just in time from this guy turning out of view. Hey, there's a car coming towards me in a 55 zone. I bet I can make this gap. Houston, I let this guy in. Gave him plenty of space, only to be pushed out of my lane when he decides he didn't want to be over there anymore. An idiot gets impatient at a stop sign in a school zone with children present.
What the fuck are you doing?
Seems like a good time to do a U-turn to me.
A few moments later.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.